You know, when we think of robots, we usually picture something out of a sci-fi movie. But the thing is, they're already here. Not in some far-off future, but right now, in our living rooms, our kitchens, and our backyards. So today, we're pulling back the curtain on the 10 domestic robots that are quietly but completely changing your home as we speak.
No, really, let that sink in for a second. That little disk scooting around your house, cleaning up crumbs, has more raw computing power than the technology that took humanity to the moon. It's an absolute marvel, and believe me, it is just the tip of the iceberg.
And we're not talking about some niche gadget here. We're talking about over 50 million of these robots already humming away in homes all over the world. 50 million. This isn't just a trend. It's a full-blown revolution, happening right under our noses. And it's growing even faster than smartphones did back in the day.
All right, let's kick things off with number one, the one you've probably all seen, the robotic vacuum. This is the pioneer, the one that started it all. A jaw-dropping 15 million of them are sold every single year. But here's the real question. What actually makes this little guy a robot and not just a fancy vacuum?
Well, it all comes down to its brain. We're talking incredible mapping technology. Using LiDAR, think of it like laser radar or tiny cameras, it builds this super detailed, intelligent map of your home. So it's not just randomly bumping into walls. Oh no, it learns your entire layout. It knows not to tumble down the stairs. It cranks up the suction power when it hits a carpet, and it even takes itself back to its dock to charge up and empty its own dustbin. I mean, that is true set it and forget it automation.
Okay, so cleaning floors is one thing. But what about the most hated weekend chore of all time? Yep, I'm talking about mowing the lawn. Coming in at number 2 is the robot that is literally designed to give you your weekends back forever.
The thing that makes this a total game changer is the GPS virtual boundary. Forget burying wires around your yard. You just draw a map on an app. That's it. This tireless little gardener stays perfectly inside the lines. It works rain or shine, it can manage different zones, and it mulches the clippings so you never have to rake again. We're talking about a perfect manicured lawn with basically zero effort from you.
All right, so your carpets are clean, your lawn is perfect. So for number 3, let's take floor care to the next level with the robotic mop. And get this, it scrubs your floors cleaner than a person can while using a staggering 90% less water than regular mopping.
How's that even possible?
Well, it isn't just dragging a wet cloth around. The secret is a vibrating mop pad that actively scrubs the floor. Kind of like how you'd put in some elbow grease on a really tough spot. It's also smart enough to detect and avoid carpets, and the really fancy ones will even drive back to their station to refill their own water. Incredible.
But what happens when your cleaning needs to go vertical? Number 4 on our list is a lifesaver. Literally, it takes humans out of one of the most dangerous jobs in the world, and it can clean everything from your back patio door to the windows on a skyscraper.
The secret is a crazy powerful vacuum suction system. It just latches onto the glass and holds on for dear life, letting it basically defy gravity while it methodically cleans the entire surface. It's got edge detection sensors so it doesn't fall off, plus a safety tether just in case. It cleans every single inch of glass completely on its own.
From defying gravity to mastering the deep, for number 5, we're diving into the pool. If you've ever owned a pool, you know the maintenance can be an absolute nightmare. Well, this little robot is here to change all that, saving owners literally thousands of dollars a year in service costs.
And what's so amazing is that it doesn't just clean the bottom. No, this thing can actually climb the vertical walls of the pool and scrub all that nasty algae right off the water line. It's basically a completely autonomous underwater drone for your pool, filtering out debris and keeping the water crystal clear so you never have to touch a hose again.
Okay, this next one at number 6 completely changes the game. We're moving away from cleaning and into creating. I want you to imagine an automated chef in your kitchen that knows over 300,000 recipes and actually learns your personal taste preferences over time. Now, this is not just another smart appliance. It's a dynamic cooking partner. It has cameras that can recognize your ingredients. It manages temperature perfectly. It does all the stirring for you, and it even gives you voice-guided instructions. It handles all the tedious work so you can just focus on being creative.
And of course, after that perfect meal comes the one job that absolutely nobody wants to do, the dishes. So, for number 7, say hello to the next evolution of the dishwasher, one that's powered by some seriously advanced AI.
The real innovation here is the AI vision.
It uses a camera to literally identify every single dish and utensil, and then optimizes the wash cycle just for that item. And if you really want to live in the future, the premium models have a robotic arm that will load the dishwasher for you. Yeah, it's wild.
If you think that's impressive, wait till you hear about number 8. This robot doesn't just clean your home, it patrols it. We're talking about your own personal mobile guardian.
This completely transforms home security from a few passive cameras on the wall into an active, intelligent guard. It patrols your home on its own, uses facial recognition to tell family from a stranger, and sends you an instant alert on your phone if anything is out of place.
All right, let's shift gears for number 9 because this technology isn't just about convenience, it's about providing independence. And its most vital feature is its ability to detect a fall and automatically call for help.
I mean, this just shows how incredibly powerful robotics can be. This companion gives medication reminders, connects families through video calls, and can even monitor vital signs. It's a crucial tool that helps seniors live safely and independently at home, giving their families an incredible peace of mind.
But wait until you hear about number 10. This robot is completely different. It doesn't clean, it doesn't cook, it doesn't guard. It provides something that humans need even more than efficiency. It provides connection. Its entire purpose, its only job, is to fight loneliness. Using emotion recognition AI, it can understand a person's mood and hold real, context-aware conversations. It plays games, tells stories, and gives emotional support to children, the elderly, or anyone who just needs a friend. And that is a job no other appliance could ever do.
So when you step back and look at all 10 of these machines, you realize the big picture isn't really about automation. The transformation is not automation, it is time reclamation. They give us back our most valuable, non-renewable resource, the time to be human.
If this changed how you see the tech in your home, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. Because in our next one, we're going from the robots in your home to the robots that look like us. That's right, we're talking humanoid robots, and you won't want to miss it.
I'm Synera, and I just want to say a huge thank you to every single one of you for spending your time with us today. It genuinely means the world. If you enjoyed this, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss what we put out next. We've got so much more coming your way, and I can't wait to share it with you. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one.